Woodworking is an art form that has been around for centuries, and while the tools and techniques have evolved over time, the passion for woodworking has remained constant. Whether you are a professional woodworker or hobbyist, having the right tools can make all the difference in the quality of your finished product. Here are 12 woodworking tools that everyone must see. Cylinder Mill. The cylinder mill is an innovative woodworking tool designed to create perfect cylinders and other shapes with precision. This versatile tool can be used to make a variety of items such as bedposts, baseball bats, chair legs, and more. It is portable and weighs only 15 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. The cutting system operates at a maximum speed of 2,000 RPM and requires a half-inch drill with a minimum of 7.5 amperes. The cylinder mill is made up of two parts, a heavy-duty steel base and a unique cutting system that attaches to a standard handheld drill. The cutting system has interchangeable blades that can be adjusted to create cylinders of different sizes and shapes. The cylinder mill was created by an American company called the Cylinder Mill Incorporated, which was founded in 2005 by a woodworker named Brad Baker. 𝗲𝗡 Trim 45. The 𝗲𝗡 Trim 45 is a must-have tool for anyone looking to achieve perfect 45-degree cuts on trim and molding. The Trim 45 features a unique design that allows it to be used with either a handsaw or a jigsaw. The Trim 45 is made of durable and lightweight materials, and it weighs only 8 ounces, making it easy to transport and use. The tool has a built-in measuring guide that helps you line up your cuts accurately, and it can be adjusted to accommodate different trim sizes. The Trim 45 can cut trim up to 3.5 inches wide and 0.75 inches thick, and it operates at a maximum speed of 3,000 RPM. 𝗲𝗡 is an American company that has been providing high-quality tools to woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts since 2003. Jet Mini Lathe. The Jet Mini Lathe is a compact lathe designed for small woodworking projects. It features a 1/2 horsepower motor that can operate at variable speeds between 500 and 3,975 RPM, providing enough power for a variety of turning tasks. The lathe has a swing over bed of 10 inches and can turn material up to 15 inches in length. The lathe includes a robust cast iron bed and headstock, providing stability and vibration resistance, and a tailstock with a live center for support during turning. Additionally, the lathe includes an easy-to-use belt tensioning system that allows for quick and easy speed changes. Jet has been manufacturing high-quality woodworking and metalworking equipment since 1958. The Jet Mini Lathe is no exception and is a popular choice for small-scale woodworkers who need a reliable and precise tool for their projects. 𝗦𝗄𝗃 MJ Splitter. The 𝗦𝗄𝗃 MJ Splitter is a unique tool designed to improve safety and accuracy when using a table saw. The MJ Splitter is an advanced version of a traditional table saw splitter, featuring a micro-adjustable design that allows it to be customized to fit any blade and any curved width. The tool helps prevent dangerous kickbacks and ensures that the wood moves through the blade smoothly and accurately. The MJ Splitter is made of high-quality materials and is easy to install and use. It operates without any additional power source, making it a cost-effective solution for woodworkers of any level. 𝗦𝗄𝗃 is a US-based company that was founded in 2001 by a woodworker named Henry Wang. The company has since become a leader in the development of innovative table saw safety products and accessories. Joint Maker Pro. The Joint Maker Pro by Bridge City Tools is a precision woodworking tool that is designed to make accurate cuts without the need for electricity. It's a unique saw that uses a Japanese-style blade to create precise cut on any type of wood. The Joint Maker Pro is a hand-powered tool and is made of high-quality materials. It weighs 16 pounds and has a compact size of 18 by 18 by 10 inches, making it easy to transport and use in any workspace. 𝗏𝗏_𝐶𝑖 Tools is a US-based company that was founded in 1983 by 𝗠𝗓𝗟𝗏𝗏, a designer and artist with a passion for woodworking. The Joint Maker Pro has been widely recognized for its design and precision, making it a must-have tool for serious woodworkers who demand accuracy. Boss Laser. Boss Laser is a laser cutting and engraving machine designed to deliver high precision and speed. This invention is a result of years of research and development by Boss Laser, a leading manufacturer of laser machines. Their product is known for its versatility as it can engrave and cut a wide range of materials, including metal, wood, acrylic, leather, and more. The machine utilizes a high-powered CO2 laser tube that generates up to 150 watts of power to create intricate cuts at high speeds. The device also features a high-precision laser head. With a cutting area of up to 48 inches by 36 inches and a maximum cutting speed of 1,500 millimeters per second, the Boss Laser is a reliable tool for businesses of all sizes. Boss Laser has been in the industry for over a decade, and their products are trusted by professionals in various fields, including architecture, engineering, and design. Sanding and Polishing System. The Sanding and Polishing System by King Arthur's Tools is a tool for sanding and polishing a wide range of surfaces, including wood, metal, and plastics. This system includes a powerful 1/2 horsepower motor that operates at up to 1,725 RPM, making it perfect for heavy-duty sanding and polishing applications. It also comes with a 2-inch Velcro-backed pad and a variety of sanding discs and polishing pads to accommodate different materials and finishes. The tool is equipped with a unique vibration-reducing feature that minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. King Arthur's Tools has been a leading manufacturer of carving tools for over 30 years, and the sanding and polishing system is just one of the many products in their extensive catalog. MakerMade M2 CNC Kit. The MakerMade M2 CNC Kit is a versatile machine that allows users to create precision cuts and carvings with ease. This kit includes all the necessary components, including a 24 by 24 inches cutting area, powerful NEMA 23 stepper motors, and an easy-to-use control board. It also features a rigid aluminum frame that ensures stability and precision during operation. The MakerMade M2 CNC Kit is designed for a wide range of applications, including woodworking, metalworking, and engraving. It can operate at speeds of up to 400 inches per minute and has a cutting accuracy of 0.001 inches, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. MakerMade is a company that has been providing high-quality CNC machines and components for over 10 years. Their commitment to innovation and affordability has made them a popular choice among makers and DIY enthusiasts. 𝗪𝗟 Tool. The 𝗪𝗟 Tool by Woodpeckers is a revolutionary turning tool designed for woodworkers looking to achieve the finest finishes possible. This tool features a unique design that allows for a smooth and precise cut, even in hard-to-reach areas. It is made from high-quality materials, including a carbide cutter and a stainless steel shank, which ensures durability and longevity. The 𝗪𝗟 Tool is available in a range of sizes and configurations to meet the needs of different projects and turning styles. It operates at a speed of up to 3,000 RPM and can handle both roughing and finishing cuts with ease. Woodpeckers has been providing high-quality woodworking tools and accessories for over 30 years. They are known for their precision and attention to detail, which is evident in the design of the 𝗪𝗟 Tool. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional woodworker, the 𝗪𝗟 Tool is an essential addition to any turning toolkit. Woodpeckers Multi-Router. The Woodpeckers Multi-Router is a woodworking tool designed to create precision joinery and cuts in a variety of materials. This router features a heavy-duty aluminum frame that ensures stability and precision during use. It is equipped with a powerful 15-ampere motor that can operate at speeds of up to 21,000 RPM. The Woodpecker's multi-router includes a variety of templates and guides that allow users to create a wide range of cuts, including box joints, dovetails, and mortise and tenon joints. It also features a convenient micro-adjustment system that enables users to fine-tune their cuts for the most precise results. The Woodpecker's multi-router is just one of the many products in Woodpecker's extensive catalog that demonstrates their dedication to helping users achieve the best possible results in their woodworking projects. Saw-Stop Table. The Saw-Stop Table Saw is another game-changing woodworking tool. What sets the Saw-Stop Table Saw apart is its innovative safety feature, which detects when a person accidentally comes into contact with the saw blade and immediately stops the blade within 5 milliseconds, preventing serious injuries. The Saw-Stop Table Saw operates at 1.75 to 3 horsepower and has a maximum blade speed of 4,000 RPM. It features a 10-inch blade, a large cast iron table for stability and accuracy, and a built-in dust collection system. The saw also has advanced features like a mobile base, T-glide fan system, and a digital readout for blade angle adjustments. Saw-Stop, the company behind the table saw, was founded by an engineer who lost 2 of his fingers in a table saw accident. He was inspired to create a saw that could prevent similar accidents from happening to others. Festool Domino Joiner. The Festool Domino Joiner is a revolutionary tool that has transformed the woodworking world by simplifying the joinery process. It is a handheld power tool that uses an oscillating cutter to create perfectly sized mortises for loose tenon joinery, a technique that is much faster and easier than traditional mortise and tenon joinery. The Domino Joiner is compact and lightweight, weighing only 7 pounds and operates at a maximum speed of 24,300 RPM with a 420-watt motor. It can create mortises up to 1.5 inches in length, making it suitable for a wide range of woodworking projects. Festool, the company behind the Domino Joiner, is a German-based manufacturer of high-quality power tools and accessories. The Domino Joiner is a prime example of their commitment to excellence in tool design and functionality, and it has become a must-have tool for woodworkers of all skill levels. If you like the video, check out this video, Incredible Road Technologies that are really insane.